Ah. Alright. Hi everyone. Welcome back to Katarina's Garage. My name is Katarina Lloyd. My dad is going to join me here shortly because he wants to see this thing run. We just did a little test of it to show you, or to see if, okay, is this thing even going to turn over? And it does. So we're very excited. We got the keys and we are about to begin to start this thing. I put the battery out of stitch in this. My dad is just walking into frame, or about to, because he's gonna move his car, because we're gonna see if this thing will move too. Just in case, if it doesn't have any brakes, but just in case of anything, that was my dad, Brent. You know, that it doesn't crash into his car. So with that in mind, let us begin. So the first thing that we're gonna do, actually, because there is zero fuel in the fuel tank and it smells good, we probably should drop it and drain it, but you know what? I'm fine with replacing fuel filters. So, yeah, so first off, we have a bunch of gas here. You know, it's not quite fully full, but damn close. It's probably about 8 or 9 liters in there. Yeah, you should have plenty of room there with a locked up brake. So, alright, so first things first, we're gonna fill this entire thing up with this jerry can. Well, we should.
I was wondering about debris on the bottom of it.
I mean, that's true.
Maybe just give it a little.
Perhaps. That might be a good idea.
There you go. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I'm not thinking, okay? I'm excited. I'm not using any logic here. I'm just doing. Because we should drop that tank and just clean it out, but no.
We're just going to do something dumb.
Yeah, we're just jumping ahead.
Because we're excited. I got out of bed for this.
Exactly. He got out of bed for this. He worked the last night of the night shift. It's like, what, noon?
It's, yeah, almost noon.
Alright, that should be good enough for now. Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
Oh, let's see what we can do here.
Now, I just want to grab, as well, we are going to grab, can you hand me the starting fluid? It's on the, Dad, it's on top.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it's in the back.
Starting fluid.
Yes, there we go. So I got some of this clean flow starting fluid. It's just, this car's been sitting for so long to get the tank, or to get the fuel pump to pump everything up to the tank. It's just easier doing it this way. So, okay. Just hang on a minute. My dad's kitty. Okay. Okay. Come on, baby. Yeah, just keep cranking it. You're just gonna have to.
So close. Joke is fully.
Come on, baby. Have you got the choke all the way open?
Yeah, I'm just playing with it.
Okay. Daddy-O's playing with the choke here. And come on.
Okay, actually, give it a rest here. Whatever's not picking up, if there's no
Well, it should be just running off of this.
Well, no, that'll get it to go. It won't run it.
Yeah, well, if you spray enough of it, I sprayed quite a bit of it.
I know you have.
So, which actually, let me just remove this entire air cleaner cover. Just makes it easier. Alright, that's fine. Okay. Okay, so that. Oh! Okay. So the choke actually is not functioning properly, so I just have. It's closed, so I'll have to function it.
Okay.
Okay, I have it open.
Ooh, it wants to.
Yeah, just keep going. It.
Can you see if there's any gas in the float bowl? Is there a sight glass on this thing?
Looking for one. Because there's a screw to set the float there, but
yeah.
No, there's not. Which not surprising. It's an old carburetor. They typically don't have a sight glass on them.
Yeah, but Subaru did. 78 Subaru had a sight glass on the carb.
Yeah. So it is kind of firing off, but not 100% here. But also, I wonder where this vacuum line goes to. Because there's a vacuum line sitting here. But, yeah. Let's see.
It's just like a real car show. It doesn't start.
Okay, what's that? Okay, try it again.
Get your hair out of the way in case it backfires.
Yeah. Ooh, come on. Because I'm working the throttle.
Yeah, okay, you got that.
Yeah, I've got that, so. A little bit of a backfire.
Yeah.
All good? Come on. Okay. She's cold-blooded, but she's been sitting for 26 years. This is the first time she's firing in 26 years. See, and I'm trying to work because the choke's not actually connected in there. That's why. Okay. She runs! She's loud because there's no exhaust on it, but she runs! Woo! So I don't think the fuel pump is working.
Yeah, there's definitely something here.
Because it's just running off of this. That's all it's running off of.
Yeah.
So fuel pump's not functional. So, but we heard it run. We heard it run.
Yes, with a burp and a fart and a high-o silver.
Yeah.
Off she went.
Ah, yeah, there's my daddy-o. He is excited about that. This is his car, so, you know, now that we know it runs, because also that could be, though, because it's popping and stuff like that, that could be the timing belt, too, because it has a timing belt on this, and it hasn't been changed in 26 years at least. So, well, there you guys have it. So she does run. We'll check for other stuff later. But, yeah, thank you all so much for watching. Hope you did enjoy it. You know, if you did, please like the video, comment, subscribe. Every little bit helps me to bring you guys further content. If you do have a vehicle or collection of vehicles that I can film, please contact me at Katarina's.garage on Instagram or Katarina's Garage on Facebook. And, yeah, Alberta residents only at the moment due to border closures, and as well, it's just so much closer for me to drive to, and I don't have a lot of money. So, yeah, it doesn't matter if it's a car has been sitting for as long as this one and it's dilapidated, or if it's a mint car, I don't care. Japanese, European, American, whatever it is, doesn't matter to me. So, yeah. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching. Hope you're staying safe during COVID-19. Good luck with everything you're working on, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye! Pikachu!